Good day, students. Welcome again to an exciting educational video today. This is Dr. Luisito Masanga at your service. Thank you very much to those students from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao who are faithfully and consistently watching my educational video. A warm round of applause to all of you. Mabuhay! For today, we are going to study about Profitability Index. This is related to decision techniques in capital budgeting. The links of related videos are provided in the description box. Our learning outcomes for today, students will be able to learn how to compute profitability index using two formulas or two options. Again, students will be able to reiterate the learnings on how to compute the net present value and how to apply the problems or theories related to profitability index and net present value. Our topics is part of the decision techniques in capital budgeting, which is today, profitability index. Number 2, we have net present value. And number 3, we have payback period, as they are all related to the decision techniques in capital budgeting. To start with, let us define first what is profitability index. Profitability index shows the association between the company's project future cash flow or discounted cash flow and the initial investment of the project by calculating the ratio and analyzing the project viability. As you can see here, there are two formulas to compute profitability index. The first formula is equal to 1 plus the quantity net present value divided by the initial investment required. The second formula is profitability index is equal to the present value of future cash flows divided by the initial investment required. So we have two formulas. When we are talking of the decision making in profitability index, if the index is more than 1, then the investment is worth the trip because you may earn the return from your investment. So if you find any investment whose profitability index is more than 1, go ahead and invest in that project. Now, if the index is less than 1, that means do not proceed with the project. It is not worth the trip. Now, if the index is equal to 1, this is a neutral position or a neutral project. Now, if you have other projects, okay, you try to compute whether the profitability index is negative. Okay, if the option of that project seems to be not viable, and then you can use this index that is equal to 1. All right, so again, the decision making is if the ratio is more than 1, okay, proceed with the project. If the ratio is less than 1, do not proceed with the project. If the index is equal to 1, you try to study the other project that you are trying to put up. And if it's negative, you can get this index that is equal to 1. That is the decision making. We have here a given example of a problem. There is a beauty parlor that decide to purchase a equipment costing 100,000. And the discounted rate of return is 10%. The number of period is 5 years. And the first forecasted cash inflow for the first and second year is 30,000. Third year is 40,000. and then fourth and fifth year is 50,000. Now, first of all, you have to compute the profitability index. But before you can proceed to the profitability index, you have to compute for the net present value and the total discounted cash flow. So here is a long method. Okay? And this example was given in our tutorial video about net present value decision-making technique. Let's go back. In the first year, you have to compute for your discounted cash flow. And the formula is 30,000 divided by 1 plus the discount rate raised to the first power. No? Okay, that is first power. Okay? And then that is 1.1. It gives you this one is first. Gives you 27,272.72. Second year, it is 24, raised to the second power. Okay, raised to the second power. So that gives you 1 plus 0.1, 1.21 raised to the 1.1 raised to the second power. So it gives you 1.21. And the third year, 1.1 raised to the third power. If you are using a scientific calculator, it is very easy. You just have to log in or press 1.1 xy, the function xy, and then 3. Here, 1.1 xy, press 4, and you will get this one if you are using a scientific calculator. Now, let us try. These are all future cash flows. No? So, we will have to add all of this. So, this one, okay, you have to add. And the total future cash flow is 147. And the formula for net present value is total future cash flow minus the required investment. So, the net present value is this one. Okay? Now, we will try to solve for the profitability index. Using this formula, first formula, 1 plus, what is the net present value? This one. Divided by the initial investment gives you 1.47. Therefore, it's more than, the index is more than 1, accept the project. Okay, the next formula is present value of future cash flow. That is 147,325.447 divided by your required investment. So that gives you 1.47, almost the same. Okay, so accept the project. Now, if we are going to use the short method using the present value interest factors for $1 discounted, okay, this table, it says that you are 10% discounted rate and it is 5 years. Okay, so this one was taken from this one. This one was taken from this second year, and the third year, this one, and the fourth year, this one, and the fifth year, this one. And all you have to do is to multiply those discounted factors to your cash inflow for the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth year. So you get this one if you are using this table. Okay, and now to compute for the net present value, you have a total discounted cash flow of 147 because of this one. All of this one you add. So it gives you 147,290 minus the initial investment gives you a net present value of 47,290. So substituting to that formula, 1 plus the net present value, this one, and your initial investment. Using the second formula, okay, what is the present value of the future cash flow is this one. 147 is this one divided by your initial investment gives you 1.47. Again, the decision making for profitability index, if it is more than one, accept the project. So this one is more than one. So we will accept the project. And this is our reference. Now, thank you very much for watching my tutorial videos about profitability ratio or index. And again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the videos. Please share the video to your friends, relatives, and classmates. I'll see you next time. Please always keep safe. Bye-bye.